Hey everybody, bwcummins here with a super quick drawing for you. I only gave myself about 15 minutes on this one. Like a lot of people, I've been binge watching the new season of Stranger Things. I don't know, if you've watched it, then you know Steve, the character Steve, started off kind of on a bad note. He wasn't a very likable character. Maybe by the end of season 1 he was starting to make a turn, or into season 2, I can't quite remember, but anyway, he's become one of my favorite characters. He's looks out for the young kids in the show and puts himself in peril, and is funny while he does it. The ones I've seen so far, he's wearing this silly sailor outfit in season 3 from his work at Scoops Ahoy ice cream shop. So it's funny that some of the situations he's put in, dangerous and epic and whatever, but he's wearing this little sailor outfit the whole time. So thought I'd draw him, and he's known for his big coif of hair. Slow her down and follow along, and you can kind of see how I build color, and not just color, but build value by putting white underneath the color, the markers. And what it does is it gives you just a lighter version of that color. So you can create some shadow and some highlight without grabbing two blues. I just used one blue, but I was able to create different values by putting white underneath it. And I actually learned that from the screen print industry. When I used to be in the t-shirt industry, we were able to achieve a lot more color, especially on a dark garment, by putting white underneath. It's called an underlay. And it's just natural for me to do that here because that's the way I had to design for years. If there's something you can walk away with artistically speaking, then that's it. Try out underlays. Not all inks lay on top of other inks. You'll have to experiment, but I do like the way these alcohol markers lay on top of both the Posca white and the Sakura gel pens. It soaks into the Posca white marker more. That's more porous ink, and sits on top of the Sakura gel pen. So you can, even with different whites, you can get different values. Hope you like this, hope you learned something, and if you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye now.